Life is tough for young queer people in deeply homophobic Jamaica. But now they have an unlikely ally in Grace Phelps Roper, granddaughter of the late anti-gay Westboro Baptist Church founder Fred Phelps. She's teamed up with the non-profit humanitarian organisation Planting Peace to document the experiences of gay youth living in the sewers of Kingston. The two have launched a CrowdRise campaign to raise money for food and other essentials for homeless gay youth. In a statement to the Huffington Post, Grace Phelps says, quote, "When I heard about the young people living in Jamaican sewers because their parents kicked them out for being gay, my heart hurt for them. I know what that's like, being rejected by your family for not going along with their beliefs. There's an irony there that I couldn't ignore, that I share a fate with the very people I was taught to dehumanize so fiercely. I wanted to meet them, to see their plight for myself, and help tell the world their story." Jamaica continues to uphold antiquated homophobic laws like its anti-sodomy law, which makes gay sex punishable by up to 10 years in prison. A recent report by Human Rights Watch reveals that many LGBT Jamaican youth are chased out of their homes and communities for fear of vigilante justice, condemning many to a life on the street or, in some cases, the sewers, where they face extreme violence and harassment.